I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Chrome and launching an incognito window. Press Ctrl+Shift+N on Windows or Command+Shift+N on Mac. This isolates browsing data from your local profile and stops Chrome from saving history, cookies, and site data. Once the window appears, make sure the incognito icon and message are visible so you know the mode is active. You can navigate normally. However, downloads and bookmarks persist locally, so avoid saving sensitive files if you need complete ephemeral behavior. Next, you take control of what sites can do in incognito by opening settings right arrow privacy and security right arrow site settings. There you can block cookies, camera, microphone, and location to reduce fingerprinting. Once done, make sure extensions are disabled in incognito unless you explicitly allow trusted ones. Extensions can leak data otherwise. Also, understand that while Chrome won't save local data, websites and third-party trackers may still see your traffic. So sign into sites only when. To finish, you simply close every incognito window. Chrome deletes session cookies and site data for that session automatically when all windows close. Make sure to remove any downloaded files or bookmarks you created if you need no trace left on the device. If something goes wrong and incognito seems to retain data, restart Chrome and confirm no profiles or enterprise policies are forcing history. If tabs or cookies persist, check extensions and profile sign-in settings. Disabling conflicting extensions usually resolves the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.